the CD a little scratch. We need to clean it. We need to clean it. Clean it. Can you guys scoot over just a little bit more? That was. Okay, you guys. This group is from Sacramento, California. If you go to YouTube, they're all over YouTube. Every 2 years they have a turnover. Annalise, right? Annalise goes out and recruit these 16-year-old girls, but then when they turn 18, they go to the Hmong New Year in Fresno. All the Hmong guys from Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin come and takes all the girls, and she has to go out and get brand new ones, right? So you guys are the next batch, right? So you guys will be good for the next, 4 more years? I hope 4 more years, okay? That's it for them, all from Sacramento. They call the NNT, but I call them the TNT. 问不起来呢。问不。
All right. That was awesome.